Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe and you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, if we are following this channel consistently, we will see how we had this drop to the same level, and we talked about price giving us a rejection upward, right? And guess what? Price has actually given us that movement. So we would also know where this GBP USD will be going this week. In order to be able to predict this price for this week on GBP JPY, sorry, GBP JPY is what we are looking at. We would have to start from the higher time frame. I want us to actually start from the higher time frame down to the 4-hour time frame. We would be able to understand this movement. Now let's start this movement, let's start from 2020, the period of 2020, we can see that GBP JPY was giving us a bullish move. We clearly can see an higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows is what's playing out on GBP JPY. And you can also see that this price was trading above the 10 period simple moving average. So we can see that the foot trend is actually an uptrend move, no doubt about that. Then we kind of had like a bearish move in the month of November. November kind of gave us a bearish move. It's had price dropped in the month of November. Also in the month of December, price also gave us a bearish move and price dropped in the month of December, right? Then kind of like in the month we are now in the month of December, we will be expecting further bullish move. So we will be expecting this JPY to continue to give us that bullish move. So this movement will be something like this as an higher highs. You cannot take a look at this to be a pullback. You can now see this again to be a new highs, and you take a look at this to be a pullback. You see this, you saw this pullback that played out. It was during that time, when GBP to USD actually got to its lowest level. During that time, GBP fell hard then. Anyway, price has corrected itself and price has gone up. You can see we've gotten a new impulse move, and you can see that this new highs that was being made here, actually took out this previous highs. So a new highs have been made, and it took out this previous high. So that is to tell you that this is an uptrend move. Now we can take a look at this to be a correction. After this correction is over, what do you expect on GBPJPY? Of course, we expect a further bullish move. So GBPJPY, how you want to see it is that we should expect, more bullish move to be made on GBPJPY soon. We can see the month of, like let's say January, right? You've actually gotten a bullish move. So more bullish move is to come for GBP JPY. So expect a bullish move. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. Basically, we see that this week that just finished, GBP JPY give us a bullish move. One of the reasons why we actually had that bullish move was there was kind of like a drop on this JPY. So once there's a drop on JPY, basically any other pairs will be changed to JPY should give us a bullish move. Now take a look at this movement on JPY index. You can see that at first this was an uptrend move, then a pullback was made. You can see a new highs, right? Down here, you can take a look at this to be a pullback. Now a new highs have been played out here, and you can now see this to be a pullback. If this would be an uptrend move, then price will continue to go bullish, and if it will not be, then we should continue to see this drop on this JPY index. But before we can continue to see this drop, at least something like a pullback should play out. So this place we should kind of expect a bullish move, though we will get into that soon. But you can see that during this period when we had this drop on JPY index, that was when GBP to JPY kind of gave us like a bullish move. You can see this bullish move. Anyway, if you take a look at this movement, right, you can see that price has rejected at this level. We also saw once price rejects this level, and we can see price once rejected to this level, and you can see prices at this level. So let's see this movement like this in highs, then kind of like a drop. Once this drop is over, expect further bullish move. So GBP JPY expect more bullish move to be made, right? So expect more uptrend move, right? So watch out for GBP JPY. So what next we'll be expecting is that let's see if this pullback is being made. So this, let's see, we are currently trading at 159. Let's see if a pullback will be made to a level of 157 first on a weekly time frame, or let's see a level of 158, 157. kind of like a pullback should be made during the week, and then we should continue the bullish move above all. So we'll be expecting a further impulse move upward on GBP JPY. That should now take us to the daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, you can see it's right. Price is actually dropping right lows here. This will be taken to be a pullback. Here will be considered as a new low. Then this will be seen as a pullback. So let's see if this price will actually drop, right? Because price is rejecting here. You see price reacting to the same level, and we see price react to the same level. So let's see price actually react to this level. We saw it push up. Now let's get one more pullback. Once that pullback is being made, we should you know have another push up. So GBPJPY, more push up is to be made. You can see it still trading above our 10 period moving average. So let's see, let's try and go bullish a little bit, and same thing with the forward time frame, kind of pushing up. So basically, let's see if GBPJPY will actually give us a drop first before it continue that bullish move. By the way, I'm watching us on for a bullish move on GBPJPY this week.